Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope everyone is fine. Okay, today's video is a cake experiment video. In this experiment, I am going to prepare two types of sponge cakes by using the same ingredients in same quantity. The ingredients in this both cakes are same, also the quantity of each ingredients are also same. And in these two cakes, I am not using baking powder or baking soda. If you want little bit taller, you can add it. Now let us start to prepare the cake. To make the first cake, prepare the cake tin. I have done a video about how to prepare cake tin. The ingredients required for these two cakes are 4 eggs, 4 large size eggs, 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar and quarter cup of oil and quarter cup of milk and some vanilla essence. To make the cake, I take a large bowl and add the 4 eggs. The eggs should be at room temperature. 4 eggs are added. Then add a cup of sugar. Then add the vanilla essence and beat until the egg becomes fluffy and until the color turns to white. It may take about 5 minutes. Now the egg became fluffy and the color turned to white. At this time, let us preheat our cooker for baking. I am baking this cake in pressure cooker. Take a pressure cooker or a large vessel, place a ring in it and close the lid and heat. Then add quarter cup of milk and quarter cup of oil and beat it for just 1 minute. Don't overbeat. Okay, it is enough. Then we want to add the flour. Here I have taken 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida. Add the flour little by little and mix by folding by using hand whisk or spatula. Don't use electric beater. Mix well without any lumps in it. Now I am added the complete flour. Gently mix by using a spatula or a hand whisk. Okay, it is enough. The batter for the first cake is almost ready here. You can bake this cake in oven or directly on stove top or bake it in pressure cooker. I am doing both cakes in pressure cooker. Okay, the batter is ready. Pour the batter into the prepared cake tin. It is a 7-inch cake tin. I have done a video about how to prepare the cake tin at home. Nothing but spread some oil and dust by some flour. Remove the air bubbles by tapping. Then let us bake this cake for about 50 minutes at low flame. Our preheated cooker is ready here. Place the batter. Okay, let us wait for bake. Okay, after 50 minutes, the cake is baked well. It's looked nicely. So spongy and soft cake. We are not using baking powder or baking soda, but the cake is perfectly came. Wow. Do you like this cake? Okay, the first recipe is this. Then the other recipe is made by using the same ingredients used in this cake. And the amount or quantity of each ingredients are same in the second cake. then but the preparing method is different. To make the second cake, separate the eggs. Separate the egg white and egg yolks. Okay, to make this cake, I have taken the 4 large size egg and separate its white and yolk into separate bowls. I have taken 4 yolks in a bowl and 4 whites in another bowl. Instead of this, add 3 yolks and a whole egg to a bowl and take 3 whites in another bowl. This will be the better. I will show the reason later. Now add 1/4 cup of milk and oil to the egg yolk and mix well. Then we want to add the flour. Similarly, I have taken 1 cup of flour. Adding the flour and mix well. You may feel a little thick at this point. That is why I said earlier to take 3 yolks and a whole egg. If not, we can add little more milk or reduce the amount of flour a little. You can choose any option, but no problem in it so thick. Keep it aside. Take the egg whites and add a cup of sugar and flour. Any flour can be used. Then beat until it becomes stiff peaks. Don't add sugar completely at a time. Add it little by little. If you are using plastic bowl, it is better to use powdered sugar, because in beating on plastic vessel, it is difficult to melt the sugar. But if you are using steel bowl, no need to grind the sugar. Okay, now the egg white is become fluffy and smooth, stiff consistency. Okay, it is enough. Then take the yolk mix we prepared earlier and add small portion of egg white and mix well until the flour and egg whites are combined well. At this time, the thickness will be slightly reduced and it become loosened. Okay, now the flour and egg whites are mixed well. Then add the little more white and mix gently. You can use folding method. Don't use electric beater at this time. Use only spatula or hand whisk. Spatula is best for this. Similarly, add the egg whites little by little and fold it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you like this content of this recipes or this episode, please comment it. I will upload similar experiments. Now I am added the complete egg whites. Okay, let us mix well. So the second batter is ready here. Ingredients used in this both cakes are same and the quantity of both are same, but a big difference in its texture and taste. Pour the batter into the same 7-inch mold, and it is also baking in a cooker, but there is a slight difference as compared to the first. Okay, first of all, open the preheated cooker and place a small plate. Then pour some water. Then place the batter above the plate containing water. Then close the lid and bake it for about 45 to 50 minutes at low flame. After 50 minutes the cake is baked well. It became so high, but after some time its height is reduced. So you can see the difference between the first cake and second cake. It is more soft cake. Both are spongy and both are tasty, both are looking well, but there is some difference. I don't know how to explain its difference, but you can see the difference. The ingredients used in the same cakes are same, and its quantity are also same. These are both are baked in without oven, baked in pressure cooker, but the two cakes are different. If you are using this cake for icing, means second cake, there is no requirement of sugar syrup. This is also a perfect sponge cake. Okay, I hope everyone liked this video. Please do this experiment at your home and share your experience with me. See you on another video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.